Hi and welcome to my video. Let me show you how to can use ChatGPT to summarize article and videos. So I'm sure many of you have been hearing about OpenAI ChatGPT for a while now. Maybe you haven't given it a try because you thought, well, they are really nothing you could use it for. So a simple thing that ChatGPT and other AI site like it can do for you that can make you more productive is simple summarize thing to make them quicker and easier to read, like articles, news, stories, videos, things like that. You might use this as a determine whether or not you want to read the entire thing. So of course, if you haven't already done it, you need to create an account openai.com here. Then you can use ChatGPT and play around with all of its features. Now the summarize something, what are you going to need to do? It's actually feed the entire content of that into the chat. You are going to do that with copy and paste, of course. For instance, let's go to this Wikipedia and articles. Here I can just copy it and paste it in the chat here. Before that, I'll write summarize it. This article you can see is about what is the meteorological history. So we are doing the summarize it. Let's see. So I want to show you here how many words in here in that article. So what I'll do, I just select it and use my counter word and characters here. So you can see number of the total words 750, number of the total characters 4000 and 4601, number of the special characters 892. So here you can see the total number. Then after summarize, let's see so how many. Here we got it. This is the summarize one. So let's see how many words in here. Here now only 181 word in the summarize. If I want the 150 words summarizing, so what I'll do, I just do it with 150 word. Let's see what will come. Got it. Let's see how many words in there. It's here 165, almost the nearby 150. So it's very easy with the ChatGPT. Okay, so what about a video? How can it summarize a video? Well, you can use ChatGPT to jump out to the web and grab information. That's why you have to paste it all there in chat box. But many videos, as a matter of fact, pretty much of all of them include some sorts of transcript. Now the videos like I can do, you can select the whole transcript and copy and paste that, but most video you find online won't have this. So instead I just going to go to the YouTube version of this. Now even you video that don't have a transcript, YouTube is going to automatically generate them. You can see those if YouTube do closed caption here, but you can get to all of it to copy it out. You click three dots button here and show transcript here. Let's see. Instead you can select and you have to drag all the way down and grab all in transcript. Is going to be grab the timestamp numbers as well, which is fine. First I can do, I just copy it. Now we'll go back in ChatGPT and do with the new chat, and what I'll do, paste that all in. Just I can write summarize. Let's see. Here we found about the video's transcript. Since I've told you a transcript, it will know enough to avoid the title, times, stamps, all of that. So now when I press return, I get a summary of this video. Will certainly just keep getting better and better, and they are going to be a lot. Of course, competition and they all will probably have some capability of summarizing things as well. So if you haven't given ChatGPT and try it, or if you have tried it but haven't thought of anything useful you can do, hopefully you will like this idea. Let me know if you like me to do more videos and ChatGPT in the futures. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching this video.